That was a lot. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're here with another Boxycharm unboxing. So she's putting all of her cards down on the table, knowing there's no. I don't know, this is the base box, but the box is like so big. I don't know why it's so big. So let's open. As usual, we're not gonna look at the prices, but it says is everyone will be under your spell. This is my October base box, so I'm guessing it has something to do with like Halloween. So let us jump real quick. So our first product is from Toys.go. It's Toys.go makeup toy factory. It's a setting spray. I'm always looking for good setting sprays. I feel like I have a couple. I have the one from Charlotte Tilbury, and yes. Let us see. Look at all these plastic things. So it looks like so. It's all clear. It is a hyaluronic acid setting spray. Ooh, I do not like this. So it doesn't have a good mist. Kind of like all over the place, but we will test her out and see how she lasts, right? Our other product is from Fleur and B. It's Ice Baby, like Ice Baby, like that song from Michael. Is this Vanilla Ice? Yeah. So it's anti-aging eye cream and firming. I'm actually not gonna really mess with this because I'm gonna send it to my mom. Yeah. But it looks like so. I've never heard of this brand. I've never used them before. It has vitamin E and vitamin B, so it looks like a good eye cream. So that is that. So we have 5 items, I guess, in the base box. The other item is this. So this is actually, it's from the Beauty Co-op, and it's Stuck on You, and it's a eyeshadow primer. So we'll definitely use that today. And our next item, I think this is a palette. Oh, it's a highlighter palette. Highlighter palette from Treslus. I don't know why I'm saying it like that. And it looks like so. So this is magic, or I don't know. And then I feel like this might be too dark for me, but this shade and this is also, this looks like kind of blushy, like this right here. So this might be too dark, but I think I can use Daydream and Magic Hours. Serenity and Abundance, I think it's gonna be too dark. And our final item, is that it? Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh no, and then 5. So 5 items, and this is from Iconic London. And it's the Des to Dance eyeshadow palette. Anytime I hear something say Des to Dance or Day to Night or whatever, I feel like it's gonna be boring. Well, like, what do you guys think? I don't know. I feel like it's gonna be boring, but we will see. So it is. Let me see. Oh yeah, it is boring. So it looks like so. I mean, I don't know. Like 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 10, 15, so it's 20 shades. Yeah, 20 shades, and they look like, I don't know, man. Like, this is not really my business, but you know what? We're gonna test it out. I'm gonna give it a chance. And then that base, I feel like it's gonna be not basey. I don't know, man. So if you guys don't know or have ever watched my channel before, for the most part, I think I like bold eyeshadows. Am I crazy about I think I don't go as crazy, but I feel like I like bold colors because I'll see people do some stuff and I'm like, So I feel like my looks are bold, but they're still like wearable, maybe, if that makes sense. And let us see. So first I'm gonna go in with that base. Does it have a shade? No, it just says eye primer. And it just says base. So So it looks like so, I guess. It has a doe fur. I don't know. I can already tell I'm not gonna like this. This is very greasy. Okay, so I'm gonna use this brush. This is actually an M1 and it comes in that Pimby with Barb's or Misha's collection. Okay, let's jump into this. God, I don't know, man, what to go in with first. So there's only 4 matte shades and everything else in here is shimmer. Let's go in with this shade right here. It's called Power Player. So this shade I'm putting here is actually a shimmer, but I feel like when it gets to on my lid, it's not as shimmery. Wow, actually it is shimmery. Who knows? So shimmers are actually like harder to work with in that way because I feel like they don't blend as well. So I'm gonna go into Corner Office and I'm gonna try to see if I can buff the edges a bit, and then I'm gonna go back to Power Play. So I'm not gonna cut my crease, and this is a 421 from Morphe, and I'm gonna take this brush. This is a T7. I don't know which shade I'm gonna go in. Maybe Manifest. So I'm manifesting that my channel is gonna be huge. It's gonna happen, watch. Remember that I said this. Okay, now we're gonna go back into Power Play. This is a Y212 or 212. Yeah, 212. I'm gonna go into Booked and Busy, I think. And I'm gonna put that right here. Yep. Okay, so that's it. I'm gonna go off camera and do my other eye and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back. Eyes are done, you know. Is it crazy? Not so much, but you know what? I did it with what I had from that Boxycharm. And it's the L'Oreal True Match. I've heard a lot about this foundation, but I've never tried it. So guess what? I'm gonna test it out for my foundation Friday. So let's shake it. Let's give it a little shaky shake. Today I'm wearing my e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer, and I already moisturized my face. I always moisturize my face. I don't know, I feel like this might be dark or might be like, I don't know. So it doesn't have a pump, so you kind of have to just pour it like this. Oh, that's a decent shade match, I think. I'm gonna take off my earrings. I'm gonna go in with my ABH concealer. So this is actually from ABH, and I'm using the E34 from Morphe. I've never, like, there's a few Asian foods that I like. I like pad see ew. I like Thai. Like, I'm huge on Thai. My husband loves pho. I haven't really dabbled into pho, like, because he used to get it, or when he gets it, he gets tripe, and I'm like, oh, that's so gross, right? But I'm like, now I figure out that you don't have to get it with that. That's just a type of meat, I guess. But he said he's gotten it without that in the past. But I'm like, I don't know, maybe I was so like, ew, no tripe. I just kind of like don't even, you know, pay too much attention to when he's eating pho. So today we're gonna go out to eat pho. I know, right? So we will see how this experience comes out, because I don't know. don't know if I'm gonna like it.
Later that same evening.
Okay, this is good. Very spicy. See, this is not bad. Hey, did you put dark sauce? That's what the dark sauce tastes. Huh?
Put a little on your finger.
Oh god.
End of flashback.
And then I need my contour, and then I'm just gonna, like right here, like so. It's my Lock It powder from Kat Von D, but I'm like, oh god. We will see, we will see. Let's set the rest of my face. I'm gonna use, you know, my Sephora Micro Smooth powder. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit of this on my like lower lash line, and then we're gonna jump and finish up the face. I got this in my Boxycharm. And now we're gonna test this off. This is my Tress Loose from Boxycharm. This is Serenity. And then I'm gonna use this brush from Lovecraft Beauty, and I'm gonna go into this shade right here called Magic Hour, and I'm gonna use that for my highlighter, like right here. Let's use this. This is from Ace Beauty. This is from Morphe. That's what? An E4. I'm gonna go into this shade right here. I'm gonna take a little bit. See, just a little bit. I'm not going too crazy today. Not too crazy. I like how I'm saying I'm not going crazy today, because I know I can go crazy with my contour. What is this? This is a T53. That might work. Actually, who's this liner from? This is from Tingz, and it's Haze, which is a green liner. I'm just going for it. And I have a little bit of glue right here. We're just gonna go and put that in the inner corners. And what should I put in my inner corner? Let's go ahead and put Thriving in there. It's like a little bit light, maybe. I have this lipstick here from Juvia's Place. We're gonna go ahead and test her out. This is shade Soil. This is Blackmail from Urban Decay. And then let's go in with our lipstick. Let's go ahead and set the face with this spray. It's the Super Set. I don't like the mist. It's like, okay, so that's it for this, you know, Boxycharm. I like how the look came out. The lipstick wasn't part of it, but the eye, is it crazy? No. Do I like the look? Yes. Is it wearable from the office to the night? Yes. So, you know, but yeah, so we are gonna go into the Boxycharm products. Where's my phone? We can jump into that right now. This Boxycharm. So actually this month I'm kind of surprised. So I got 5 products, but I was able to use 4 products as makeup products. So the only thing that wasn't makeup was the eye cream. So that's really good. So I'll give them that. So our first product was the palette. Is the palette, can you do bold shades with it? Or bold looks? Maybe not, but can you do everyday looks with it? It's like the perfect palette for that, and that's $62. And then the highlighter palette, actually I used the blush from it, and then I used the highlighter. I feel like that was really good, so I would definitely use that again. $26. The spray, I don't know how it's gonna look out. I think it might make me dewy, but we will see, because it says It's, well, it just said it has hyaluronic acid. It's a serum, a setting spray, so we'll see. And that is $24. And the last but not least, the primer, which was $18. For me, the primer was just okay. Like, I don't know, I have like 3 primers that I use: Pilaways, Makeup by Yolondo, and Juvia's Place, and I feel like these are like my die-hard ones. Like, I try other things, but I feel like those are like perfect, you know. Yeah, those are like my ride or dies. But you know, was this okay? Yes, it was okay. So my total was $130. I think I paid like $25 per stack or something like that. I think it went up a little bit actually, maybe $26.99. But you know what? It wasn't terrible. I got 5 makeup products, which I kind of like when they do that. So that's it, guys, for this Boxycharm video. You know, October Boxycharm. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what? I'll see you on my next video. Bye, guys.